Our new cutting-edge Windstorm 72 Superlight Badminton Racket gives you lightning-fast offense and defense while delivering blistering power and can be strung up to 30 pounds to help destroy your competition. Bo Eason said, "The new Windstorm 72 racket plays extremely light and flexible, and I love it even more because it looks so gorgeous. It feels amazing because of the premium quality carbon fiber construction and high string tensions." Take advantage of our summer Windstorm hot buys and save up to $30 on select Windstorm racket models. Plus, receive a $29 Windstorm 72 t-shirt free. Find a dealer or shop online at shopbadmintononline.com and buy the badminton brand of choice for numerous international and Olympic champions and millions of others around the world. Offer ends July 31st or while supplies last.